going on, guys? It's Ed back with another vlog. Today we already got a 2019 Mustang in. Starting off a little late just because we had a busy morning. Went ahead and got the two fronts and the tiny rears done. Right now we're about to do the back glass. So as you can see, we had to take out this rear deck lid right here. Reason being, there's a bunch of dog hair. You can kind of see it right there. Bunch of dog hair all over the actual deck itself. Alright, so just finished up. Just put the rear deck lid back on. Everything looked good in there. I know it's a little hard to tell on camera, but everything came out perfect. Pretty good. John's working on a Jeep right now, just doing the two fronts. And once that's out, I'm gonna pull it out, give this a little rinse, and I'll give you a final B-roll of the finished product. Overall, I think it came out really, really good, as always, as you can see. So, just give it a quick little wash. Didn't show you guys only because it's scorching outside. I kind of had to be a little quick with it just so we didn't get any hard water spots. But about to just set you guys up, dry this off real quick, and then the customer will take delivery of the vehicle. Alright guys, it's been a little bit since I picked up the camera. It's just been kind of all over the place. Right now we got two cars right now. We got this Escalade doing two fronts and a windshield. And then we have the Highlander doing the same exact thing. Right now John's finishing up the Highlander. He's already got this window done and the front shield. We did 35 on the front shield. Yeah, sometimes it happens like this where, you know, stack up. This was a lot more glue removal than we anticipated. It was really pungent. It took about an hour just to get the glue off alone. And same with that vehicle as well. Had a bunch of glue all over the doors. So, you know, sometimes it doesn't go always as planned, but, you know, we are doing the best we can with it just being us two. But we're gonna go ahead and tackle this out. I'll get some B-roll clips here and there of the install process, and I'll bring you guys along. Guys, this is just a continuation of yesterday. Didn't really film too much. We were just way too busy. Today's simple, but not really simple. Only have one car. We have this Porsche Cayenne here. You can see John's already cleaning it up. It's here for a coating, a glass coating. It's getting our full max coating all around. It's going to look pretty when it's done. We're gonna get it under the light, see how bad this paint is. I don't believe this is new, so once we get it in there, you'll definitely be able to see. Oh yeah, all over. Sorry. So, from the last few clips you saw, I dried out the car, got everything ready for John. He's already beginning the polishing stage. This car was pretty rough. Had a lot of swirls everywhere, but it seems to be coming out pretty good. As you can see here, He's kind of got the trim going on. It's got a nice black glossy finish.
The car came in with a coating that failed. The glass coating was still good. The rest of the coating had failed. The car went to a body shop and got sprayed in portions of the panels on the front end. Overspray was all over the entire car. So the coating didn't do its job and prevent that. So we had to go around, clay remove the overspray off of all the clear coat. In doing so, it's got micro marring, so now we're gonna one-step polish the paint, get all the micro marring out so we can get ready to panel prep and coat it. We're gonna do two-step on all the piano black.
Oh yeah.
This is extremely hard to do. Whenever we polish out, like even you can see like he still has minor defects. In the light you can see it. So we don't want this. We want this to be absolutely perfect before it gets coated. So we're gonna go around with the Rupees micro polishers, and we're gonna micro polish all of this so that it's perfect for the customer.
Coat on now. You can see it kind of beading up. So typically we let it sit on for 12 minutes. Once those 12 minutes up, we wipe it down, just double check everything. It's usually good on the first go around, but so far so good. Car came out really good after the polish. Alright guys, so we just went ahead and finished everything. John laid the last coat, got it all wiped down, and honestly the results speak for itself. I mean, you can, even on camera, you can see the shine. It's just so much more glossier. This car was pretty bad. It had lots and lots of swirls, you know, going through the car washes. You know, they really bang it up, and you know, to the untrained eye, I mean, it looks perfectly fine because it's a white car, but you know, once you get it underneath these lights, I mean, you can really start to see, you know, all the damage that's on this paint. So right now we're just letting it cure. You know, it has to cure for over 24 hours before it can go outside. So we're gonna leave it here overnight, and tomorrow morning or at mid-afternoon the customer will come pick it up. There was a few things that we noticed. So the wheels when you're cleaning up, as you can see, I know it's a little hard to see. Make sure I turn off the brightness. You can see there's some rust spots going on. He was interested in possibly getting the wheels coated, but upon further inspection, you can see these wheels were definitely resprayed at one point. I mean, it just, the finish on them is extremely poor. You can see right there, it's kind of orange peely. There's a lot of parts on this car that look like they've been resprayed, like this bumper and this fender right here were definitely resprayed, and it kind of had overspray all over the car actually. So well, let me turn that brightness down. So yeah, we ended up not coating the wheels. I advised the customer on getting the wheels redone, repowder coated, and if he wants to come back, we can definitely coat those wheels. But overall, I mean, it's beautiful. This car, it came out so good, and you know, we're really happy with the results. That's it for this video. We usually only do ceramic coatings, just one car for the full day. We don't really like touching other things just because we don't want that garage door opening in and out, you know, bringing contaminants in and, you know, ruining the cleanliness of the shop. So that's pretty much it. Tomorrow we have quite a busy day. I will definitely be filming that, but that'll be for another video. But other than that, you know, take it easy. Just like, subscribe to our channel. Let us know what you guys want to see more. And yeah, that's it. See ya.